It's Boujee nails on a budget, guys, and I'm so excited because I haven't done one in a minute. So we're going right in with this base color number 1312 by Gaoy. I think that's the way you pronounce it. And it's this beautiful sheer white. Kind of reminds you of the milk bath nails, right? That's actually why I like it so much. Now this polish is kind of jelly-like, so you have to make sure you spread it nice and even. And whatever you miss, you can always get it in the second coat. I cure all colors for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp, and I always try to remember to mention that for anyone that's new to the channel. So here's the second coat. So yeah, guys, I felt a little uncoordinated doing this because I had been doing so many hauls, right? And there's more to come. So just keep that in mind. So now that I'm done, we're going to start with the colors. And this first one is A016, and it's that gorgeous red by Modelones. I believe this is the one that I used in the last Boujee nails on a budget that I posted, the one with the red flames. We gonna put them nails on fire. So I'm just showing you each color at a time. This goldish brown is Modelones number, I believe, 026. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to show you each color that I lay just for that first time, and the rest of it I'll do off camera. That way things move relatively quickly. This next color is this Teal Birthday Boy by Madam Glam. And I know you're probably wondering why these colors were picked, but you'll see, just trust the process. Because to me, as I was doing it, I was like, these don't quite match. But you know, I said before, sometimes that is the way it works. This next color, 019 by Modelones, is a dark aqua blue, and it's so pretty. You know what? I actually plan to use this color in a set all of its own. And this is how it looks, guys. Now that I'm done doing that nail, this is where I'm actually trying to decide if I wanted to do another nail and which one. So you'll see that in a second. And then I go in with NotPolish matte top coat. And this is how it looks. Now, the one thing that I did notice once I was done with the top coat, and I'll show you right here, is if you take a look at the sides of the nails, because of how many times I had to go over to make the color stand out, you could see that there's edges where the colors are kind of protruding. So I just took a buffer and filed it down smooth and cleared that off with some alcohol. So now I'll be starting the nail design. Now this part was difficult for me because as I'm laying this, I couldn't see because you're using the same colors on top of the color, right? If I'm explaining that correctly. So it was rather hard for me to see. The only thing that I could go by is the shine off of the freshly laid polish. But I think it turned out nice. And you guys, you know what? This is actually my first time doing a sweater pattern because you remember my last nails were stickers. All right, so once your polish is laid, you're going to go over that with some clear acrylic powder. And this is Mia's Secret clear acrylic. And this is just something that I use for myself. And the reason why it's half filled is because there's a separated portion of it in a different jar. And then I finished the sweater pattern. I didn't know what I was going to be doing, so this is just off the top of my head, guys. This is also cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. then when we get to the one with the color stripes, you'll see what I do. So I decided on a different and a smaller, tighter pattern for the colored striped nails. And the reason for that is because this set is actually inspired by a sweater that I have, guys. I'm showing you doing the pattern over the white. With each stripe, you have to change the color to the color of the stripe. So I show you a little bit of that. I actually do the entire nail with all the colors because there's no overlapping of the colors. And then I come in with the clear acrylic powder. And oh guys, yeah. You know what? I was having so much computer problems. I did not include me doing the pedicure portion of this today, which I'm really sad about because this computer stuff can be so aggravating sometimes, but you will still see it in the reveal, guys. And this is what it looks like. Aren't they beautiful? And you know what? The camera wasn't doing the sweater any justice because the colors actually match so much better than that. I hope you guys enjoyed this today because I had so much fun doing this set just because of the sweater alone. And if you did, hit that like button and remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love.